Check it out.
So we are starting our day with our meal. So we ordered the mushroom meat like yesterday, like last night, here in the same store, and we are also dining on inside of the store. And after that, we are going to maybe to a temple, which we will see later on. So now we are going to Bangka Lungshan Temple, and it's just one bus away from our hotel, and we are going to ride a 310 bus, and we are just like 8 to 13 minutes, it depends on the bus, and yeah, so let's go there. Actually, we are just following the Google Maps, and we just buy the SIM card in the airport, and which cost us 500 Taiwan dollars. Yeah, 500 Taiwan dollars is for 5G, and 250 Taiwan dollars the 4G, and it's good for 5 days already. Also, we bought this yo-yo card.
My yo-yo card, I paid for 100, and then I put load.
Yeah, you top
500.
Up. Yeah.
And then I got 200 free.
Yeah, for me there's no extra.
Yeah, I'm lucky.
Yeah, this yo-yo card is worth 100 Taiwan dollars actually, and it doesn't have any balance when we purchase it. But this one has also a design. See, this one is Bad's Maru.
Mine is Hello Kitty.
Yeah, and every shop there in the airport has a different design, so it's up to you which one you're going to take. Bangka Lungshan Temple, also known as Lungshan Temple of Manka, Mengjia Longshan Temple, is a Chinese folk religious temple in Guanyin district in Taipei. This one is built on 1738 by the settlers of Fujian and during the Qing rule in honor of Guanyin. So we arrived in Bangka Lungshan Temple, and it is one of the oldest temple here in Taiwan, and it's built in 1738 actually, so it's very old, but you can see it's still beautiful as it was before. Here on this side you can see the dragon fountain, and there's a koi fish actually in the pond. Though the koi fish and the pond is a bit common in this kind of region, we are just describing what we can see and what the temple is offering to people. And also we enjoy watching colorful koi fish swimming in the pond. So that is on your left side as soon as you enter, and on the right side you have a waterfalls. In this part of the temple, it's a bit of refreshing because of the humidity coming from the artificial waterfall, and it feels like it's a bit cooler on this side. And this is how beautiful the front of the temple, and you can see a lot of tourists, and it's quite popular in Taipei. It's because of it's an old and historic landmark in Taipei. Look at this, how old looking it is. Well, technically it's all old, but the structure still is a very good shape. In their halls there's a lot of carvings that is so detailed, and the design is very precise, and it's kind of amazing how they built and restored it many times before. Of course, there's a lot of statues of their gods, and in this area you can see some lights. There is a very contrast in the hall. We don't know what is the purpose, but yeah, it's a good design and a bit attractive to the eyes of the people and the tourists. I don't know what is these trees, but I think that is wishing trees. I think so. Do you think?
Yes.
We finish our trip here in Bangka Lungshan Temple. We are going to Chiang Kai-shek.
So this is the view outside the temple.
So from the Longshan Temple, it will be like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes of bus ride and going to Chiang Kai-shek. And we are riding the number 30. Actually, we are just following the Google map, and I'm just choosing the one that is not complicated or just one bus to ride, even though it's like 5 minutes longer, but yeah, it's more easier for us. We are already walking going to Chiang Kai-shek, and you can see,
So huge.
yeah, all the one with the purple roof is a part of Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang Kai-shek is actually a big garden, and there is a memorial in the middle. So yeah, we are going to the memorial hall, and you can see the greenery inside of the Chiang Kai-shek. In the middle of the garden, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and there is the National Theater and Cooperative Educare Service Center. So yeah, I just read the one that was assigned on, but this is our main goal, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Yeah, we just found out that the one that we are standing off is not the entrance, it's actually the side of the Memorial Hall. So right now we are going to the main entrance. Chiang Kai-shek is Memorial Hall is by the name. It's built for remembering Chiang Kai-shek, the former president of Republic of China, which is now Taiwan, and it was built on 1980s. Let's start from the scratch, and we can see at the back is the entrance of the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. You can see the arc. Yep, it's a very nice structure actually, and in the right is the National Concert Hall, and the other one is the National Theater. So yeah, let's go inside of the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Still windy.
Yeah, it's too windy, so that's why we put some windscreen. Here is the arc. In the middle, it says the Liberty Square, and actually the place is called Liberty Square, but it's more popular with the Chiang Kai-shek. Look at the National Concert Hall. It's a big pagoda, and also this one, the National Theater, which is also a big pagoda. Look how magnificent the building, the Memorial Hall is. It's so nice. We are actually going inside. So in the third floor of the Memorial Hall, there is some exhibition hall, so you can see a lot of paintings like these ones. So those are with the descriptions, but the thing is it's on Chinese, so I cannot understand. So it's the time to change the guard, and we are trying to watch it. It's our mistake. It's not changing of guards, but the end of the guard period. So it's 9 to 5 only. We are on the first floor of the exhibition hall, and it's also the first floor of the memorial hall, and it's also the exhibition hall. In this side of exhibition, you can see a lot of artwork that is serves like the artists what they are fighting for. Honestly, when I see this kind of exhibition, it looks like an old art, because maybe because of the canvas that they use and the artwork that they made. Overall, those arts are all amazing and you can enjoy even. So that's it for our trip for today, and it's already raining again. And we are going back to our hotel. It's just like 13 to 20 minutes of bus. See you tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to have an earlier trip. So bye bye.